Hello family, we're going to be making caramel pecan cinnamon French toast. Come join me. Okay, we're going to start with 4 eggs, and I already checked them. They did not float, so they're good. And I know I shouldn't be doing this over this, but I'm not paying attention. That's me. Okay. I'm just going to give this a good mix. And my friend sent these to me today. Thank you, sweetheart. I love them. See, this is a dash, pinch, a smidgen, and a nip. I just love it. So now we're going to take some cinnamon. And I'm going to get a couple dashes of cinnamon. There we go. And I'm also going to put just a teensy bit of milk in it.
Oui, oui, mademoiselle. You making a French toast?
Yes. And I put 2 dashes of cinnamon in it.
Not a smidgen, huh? Or a curmudgeon.
Not a curmudgeon. There's no curmudgeons on there. I don't think that's a word. In your world, it is a curmudgeon. That's good. Okay, now I'm just going to put just a tiny bit of maple flavoring in it. Okay, I got my egg. Now, we've also got our, I was going to make cinnamon bread, but I didn't want to. So I bought cinnamon raisin bread. I cheated. All right, now I'm going to add some butter to the pan. Looks like I'm going to need to take some more butter out too here. I'm going to get this going. Got the butter out, and I won't forget to do that. Now while that warms up, I toasted my pecans in my toaster oven. All right, make sure that's good and melted. I want to make sure it's good and warm. Now what I'm going to do here is move you this way. I'm going to take my little syrup bowl here, and I'm going to put some syrup in it. And I'm going to mix in some caramel sundae syrup in it. Give that a mix. So it's like a combination of, and you can use pure maple syrup. I just didn't have any. But just a mixture of caramel and syrup. Maple syrup. Okay, I think. I wonder if I can fit any more in there. Whoa. I got a little bit more in there, but not much. It's to the brim. But yeah, there's a mixture, and you can add more caramel if you like. Okay, this is good. Now, I'm going to turn that down actually. Dip it in my egg. This should be good. I wish they made cinnamon bread really thick, because that would be good. That's why I wanted to make my own cinnamon bread, so I can make it really thick. Okay, yep. And I'm headed back to the doctor tomorrow morning for a follow-up, see how things are going. Which I could be better, but we're getting there. Okay, we're going to do this again. French toast is so simple, and it's really good supper. I don't have any sausage to go with it. Oh, I think I still have sausage in the freezer. All right, we're just gonna slather some butter on this. Look at that, just melt away like that. Yum. Now, we're going to take this syrup and caramel mix, drizzle it all over it. Yum, yum. Now we're going to take some toasted pecans. Yum. That's what we want. There you go. Cinnamon raisin French toast with caramel maple syrup and roasted pecans. Thank you for joining me today for another wonderful recipe. Cinnamon raisin bread, French toast with caramel and maple syrup sauce over it, and toasted pecans. Let's give it a try. That sauce is so good with the pecans and the cinnamon raisin bread. Oh, thank you, Lord, for the idea. Yum. Yes. Thank you to my new family members. Welcome to the family. Thanks for all who subscribe. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Join our family. And join the fun of just all kinds of different recipes. So, we will see you next time for something different. And remember, stay busy and serve others. Bye for now.